Are you prepared for the next great thing in cryptocurrency? Prepare for the release of the next 100x AI-generated tokens. These tokens are the outcome of cutting-edge technology that uses artificial intelligence to identify the most potential investment possibilities in the cryptocurrency market. These coins are supposed to outperform conventional investments and give investors enormous profits using artificial intelligence. These coins have the potential to soar in value and provide early adopters with massive gains by studying market patterns and selecting the most profitable possibilities. But what distinguishes these tokens? To begin with, they are backed by some of the industry's best brains who have spent years inventing and refining the AI algorithms that enable them. They're also highly adaptable, with applications beyond typical investing. These AI-generated tokens are a game changer, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting in the Bitcoin world. With their tremendous return potential and cutting-edge technology, they're sure to be the next big thing in cryptocurrency. Take advantage of this chance to be an early adopter of the next 100x AI-generated tokens. Stay tuned for further details on their upcoming launch and prepare to take your investments to the next level. We have you covered whether you want to broaden your skill set, learn something new, or remain up to speed on the latest trends and advances. Our videos span subject matter from science and technology to personal growth and everything in between. But we're not simply interested in sharing information. We're also interested in creating a community of people interested in self-improvement and intellectual progress. So come along with us on this adventure of discovery and let's learn and develop together. Remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. If you have any questions or recommendations for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for tuning in, and let's get smarter together. Let's discuss some of the best AI tokens and projects to invest in 2023. iDoge AI project with a utility token that acts as the main currency for meme creation credits and is used for staking, voting, and rewarding platform members. Over $13.5 million was raised in the first 4 weeks of its presale. Launchpad XYZ LPX. The platform's one-of-a-kind AI tool provides cutting-edge insights and techniques to assist users in navigating the problematic crypto market and making better educated investment choices. $600,000 raised in its presale. Ecoterra, an eco-friendly cryptocurrency project with AI-powered recycle-to-earn incentives that enable users to earn tokens for recycling. Its mission is to combat climate change and promote sustainability. Since the presale began, $4 million has been raised. DLance, it is an AI-powered cryptocurrency initiative that aims to revolutionize the recruiting and freelancing industries. It will provide a more efficient and transparent system for freelancers and recruiters by using an AI-powered chatbot. $1 million has been spent in its presale. Love-Hate-Inu is the world's first blockchain-based platform that uses vote-to-earn mechanisms to reward users for engaging in polls and surveys. It seeks to change online voting and the survey business, with LHINU coins increasing by 3,000% after the presale. Fetch FET, a blockchain-based platform that employs artificial intelligence and machine learning to develop autonomous economic agents that may produce money for users in various ways, such as cryptocurrency trading or data sharing across devices. Numeraire NNR, a one-of-a-kind AI crypto that drives Numerai, a hedge fund that relies on NNR token holders to make stock market forecasts. If their forecasts are true, users may win NMR tokens. Cortex, a project to bring AI capability to Ethereum smart contracts. Users may purchase AI models to embed in smart contracts, allowing various applications. Velas VLX, a cryptocurrency based on a fork of the Solana blockchain that includes AI in its validation process, allowing for high-speed transactions and serving as a platform for AI dApps and Web 3.0 apps. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on the fascinating intersection of AI and cryptocurrencies. We hope you found this information useful and interesting. If you liked the video, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for similar stuff.